This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Beautiful brick ranch in desirable Bellamy Manor Estates. The spacious open floor plan is perfect for entertaining or keeping an eye on the littles from the kitchen. Upgrades from August 2019 include new HVAC, gas furnace, water heater, roof, deck, flooring, appliances, wood fence and more. Plenty of room in the backyard for a pool. Oversized garage has room for cars and storage. Move-in ready in time for the holidays. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.